Hey guys, Coach Raymond here, digital entrepreneur. Wanted to make this video for you guys today and talk about what's your why. Dig deep and find what's your why, what drives you and what motivates you. And also, if you're not happy with where you're at today, what are you doing to change your life so that you don't continue in the same pattern and you're able to change your life for a better tomorrow? Stay tuned. Here's a question to ask yourself, guys. What's your why? What's your true why? Dig deep if you're not sure. You know, my why is my family, my daughter. I have to make sure that I provide the life that they deserve. And if you say that your why is because you want to make money, it's because you want to get rich, well, everybody wants that, but that's not enough. You have to dig really deep inside to figure out what's your true why. If it's your family, if it's your parents, if you have to take care of your parents for whatever reason, if it's their health, or if you have little kids, dig deep beyond just the superficial, having money, because that's just not enough to drive most people. You know, most people get into their comfort zone and, you know, they feel like doing something today or tomorrow, if they don't do it, that it's okay, you know. The thing is, a lot of people, they get comfortable, you know. It's not hard to read 10 pages a day for a week, let's just say. But it's easy to do, but yet it's easier not to do. And that's why people, a lot of times, they don't do it, they don't take action, and they wonder why they fail in life or they fail in business. Well, make sure that you take action and make sure that you really dig deep and figure out what's your true meaning of your why and what's driving you, what motivates you. If you figure out your true why in life, then hopefully that will be enough to motivate you to actually start taking action and start doing the things necessary to improve your life, to change the quality of your life. You know, this world, it's so full of abundance, and whenever I see a beautiful day like this, I'm just so happy to be out and about and enjoying life, and hope you guys are too. And if you're not, you know, what are you doing to fulfill your life, to make it better so that you can live the life that you dream of without having to worry about a boss or asking for vacation time? You know, whenever I see a beautiful day like this, you know, I always feel like, hey, why don't I take a vacation? You know, other than my daughter's school time, I can pretty much take a vacation whenever I want, just because of the time and freedom that I have with running my own business. And if you're not in that same boat, you know, what are you doing today to change your future tomorrow? You know, if you keep doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result, you know, that there's a word for that. It's called insanity. And so if you want to live a lifestyle of freedom, a lifestyle to travel whenever you want, to go wherever you want, whenever you want. So if you want to travel and live the life that you want, what are you doing to change that? What are you doing to change your future? Are you living the lifestyle that you want for yourself today? If not, change your situation, change your associations. You know, they say that you're the combined average of the 5 friends that you hang out with. You know, you're probably within the 20% of the average of what your 5 closest friends are. Sorry about the shaky video, guys, and maybe the sound quality, but I'm driving here in my car. It's a beautiful day and I just feel like being out and about. If you're inspired to do something in your life, if you don't want to be, you know, stuck at a 9-to-5 job day in and day out, you know, make sure that you're doing something every day, even if it's a little bit of something, to try and improve your life, to change it, to make it better. Guys, look, this world is so full of abundance. I mean, look at this beautiful world. Blue skies, sun's out, it's beautiful out. Hope you guys aren't stuck behind a desk. You know, if you're not in a situation where you're happy, if you're stuck in a 9-to-5 job that you hate, you know, what are you doing to change your situation? You know, what are you doing to improve your life? You know, make sure that you're doing the simple little things day in and day out to make sure that tomorrow doesn't stay the same. You know, are you looking for an online business, or are you looking for, you know, a self-employed type of job? Robert Kiyosaki, one of my favorite authors, was one of the first books that I read that actually inspired me to take action and change my life. You know, he talked about a cash flow quadrant, you know, where on the left side of the quadrant there was employees and self-employed, whereas on the right side you have business owners and investors. And the difference being is self-employed is a step up from employees. You know, I think it's like 95% of people are stuck on the employee side, you know, where they're working for someone, always asking for vacation time, sick time, time off. Whereas the self-employed, you have your own business, but you're still kind of glued to your business, because a lot of times as a self-employed, either you're a small mom and pop shop, or you have a small business, you maybe have 1 or 2 employees. But what happens with the small business is it's hard to actually take vacation time, because what happens when you do take vacation time? Your business shuts down. So, you know, people who are truly financially independent look for ways to get onto the right side of the quadrant. You know, building big businesses and then investing their money into assets that help them have passive income. So big businesses, you know, whether they're there or not, think about McDonald's or Walmart. Think of those businesses as, you know, whoever franchised those or owns those, you know, whether or not they're there or not, their business is still going to make them money. You know, that's why it's passive. So that's why it's on the right side of the quadrant. It's a big business, and they don't have to be there. You know, if it rains or if it starts to hail outside or snow, they can stay home, and their business still grows, and their business still makes them money. Then there's investments. You can look into real estate investments. You know, one of the things about real estate is it's probably made more millionaires than almost any other industry. Investing, maybe flipping real estate if that's your passion, but make sure that you find something that you're passionate about, something that you believe in and enjoy. I myself, I looked into online businesses, and I like the freedom of going to work whenever I want. I basically work anywhere, typically 15 to 25 hours a week, still kind of a part-time basis, but the potential with online businesses, if you do it correctly, guys, and you're consistent day in and day out, can lead you to the lifestyle that you want. Guys, if you like this video, if you thought it was helpful, make sure that you give me a big thumbs up in the section down below, and make sure on the bottom right hand side of the screen you'll see a subscribe button. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And if you like what I have to say, if it inspires you in some way, or if you found some value in my videos, please let me know in the comments section and share this video so that I can make more videos as I go along. Guys, see you in the next one.